Marvel CI, Operation and Maintenance. M Listening Check. If you are a caregiver or parent, use the M Listening Check to routinely verify that the sound sources are working properly. Remove the battery. Open up the M Listening Check. And slide it onto the Marvel CI. Slide a charged M battery onto the bottom. And insert earbuds into it. Talk into the T-mic to verify that it is working. Cycle through any additional programs to verify that all input sound sources are functioning properly. You can also listen to streamed sources like Bluetooth, Roger, and other accessories. Marvel CI. Connect with the moments you love. We welcome you to a world of powerful connections.